All right, we got the intake cleaned off. The old intake gaskets and RTV are all cleaned up. Everything looks really good in here. It's really clean still. Should be, it's a new motor still. And all the surfaces scraped with a razor blade. And we're gonna go ahead and start installing the new gaskets and intake. I bought a Professional Products intake manifold from Jegs, which lists as their intake manifold. There's the part number if you guys are interested. Looks like a nice piece. It's definitely high-rise, open plenum, race stuff, which this car is going to see some track time, so hopefully this will add some high-end horsepower. But yeah, it looks like a really nice intake. And the kit that I ordered came with everything. It came with a water neck, came with the intake gaskets, carb gasket, and everything to do the job. So made it much easier. I got it from Jegs. So we got the intake installed, it's all torqued down, and next step is just putting everything back on it. Hopefully the hood clears. This is a much taller intake. Looks way more aggressive, which it is, so hoping for more horsepower and more torque. I think we're gonna get it. And hopefully it cures the smoking problem, which I think that old intake manifold was mismatched to these heads, and I think that's what was going on. I mean, it's the last thing on this engine that we haven't replaced, so we'll see. right, guys, we got the intake manifold installed. Definitely looks better, performs better. Just overall much better intake manifold than what we had on there. We had a really old Holley intake on there, a Dominator 2, which was made by Holley but also by Winters, which I've never seen that before. I've never seen a Holley and Winters intake together. If you guys have any experience with that, let me know in the comments below, because I've never seen anything like that. It was a really old intake. I think it was from like the 80s or 90s. So, but the Performance Products intake definitely looks better. It's a high rise. It's got an air gap, which is just more modern and definitely fits the car much better. I'll turn you around so you guys can see a better shot of it. There you go. Yeah, it looks way better. I bought this from Jegs. It's a Jegs intake. It just looks and performs way better. So, if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tune in for more on the 1970 Nova build. See you guys next time. Thanks.